Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Atrix VACBP1 Ergonomic Backpack Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and portable cleaning solution that makes it special with its 1400W motor and 8-quart HEPA filter, making it perfect for professionals and individuals who need a reliable and efficient vacuum for multi-use applications. This backpack vacuum is designed for those who require a high-capacity vacuum that can handle various cleaning tasks with ease, from cleaning large areas to detailing small spaces. Let me break down the specs. The Atrix VACBP1 has a 1400W motor that provides powerful suction, and it comes with an 8-quart HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for cleaning applications that require high levels of purity. The vacuum weighs 21.3 pounds and has dimensions of 22.5 by 14.5 by 9.5 inches, making it compact and easy to maneuver. It includes a 6-foot hose, blower nozzles, wand, and brushes, providing a range of attachments for various cleaning tasks. The vacuum has a noise level of 72 decibels, which is relatively quiet for a vacuum of its power. The backpack design allows for comfortable wear, with padded straps and a waist belt that distributes the weight evenly. The vacuum also has a variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the suction power to suit their cleaning needs. The 8-quart dust container is easy to empty and clean, and the vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty. In real-world use, the Atrix VACBP1 performs exceptionally well, providing strong suction power and efficient cleaning capabilities. The backpack design makes it easy to wear and maneuver, allowing users to clean large areas without fatigue. The variable speed control is also useful, as it allows users to adjust the suction power to suit their cleaning needs. The HEPA filter is highly effective, capturing a wide range of particles and allergens, making it ideal for cleaning applications that require high levels of purity. The vacuum is also relatively quiet, making it suitable for use in noise-sensitive environments. Real-world reviews praise the Atrix VACBP1 for its powerful suction, ergonomic design, and range of attachments, which make it a versatile cleaning tool. Users love the vacuum's ability to handle a variety of cleaning tasks, from cleaning large areas to detailing small spaces. However, some users report that the vacuum can be heavy when fully loaded, and that the straps can be uncomfortable to wear for extended periods. The Atrix VACBP1 is priced around $250, which is a great value considering its high-quality construction, powerful motor, and range of attachments, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals and individuals who require a reliable and efficient vacuum.